Welcome back. Now there are several elements within the Zoom platform that will be similar to other platforms that you'll be using in order to deliver your workshop. Depending on how you want to interact with attendees, all of these elements can be important. For example, you have control over the email settings. You have control over whether attendees and panelists will have an email and when those emails will be delivered. In Zoom, you can determine whether those emails will be received. In GoToWebinar, you have control over both content, but most importantly, you have control over when those emails will be received. And so you do want to pay attention to how the emails will be sent using your broadcast platform. One element that broadcast platforms give you control over is the appearance of the registration page as well as the emails that are being sent. For example, we are now looking at Zoom and you have the opportunity to place a banner, logo, and theme for everything that you are doing for your workshop attendees. And this does exist for most platforms as you're looking at GoToWebinar, and you do have control over the branding and colors that attendees will see when they come to your page as well as when they receive email. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.